Like a father, like a son. 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 Okwa even ane make and one make. Like a father, like a son. Okwa even one make and one make. Like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Like humanizer go born another woman. Like a father, like a son. A guy man no come born another guy. Like a father, like a son. Even the mugu come born begin will be like a father. Hey, yes!
Nice!
Like a father, like a son. Like a father, like a son. If a man make a wagame, like a father, like a son.
Oh, Malija, beautiful woman.
Why are you staring at, old man? No, why are you staring at?
Jai, Chineke Dalu, for creating a beautiful goddess like this. You are beautiful.
Excuse you?
In fact, you are the type of woman I want to marry.
This is ridiculous.
No. Chere, look, I can take care of you.
Oh my God.
Serious, I can take care of you.
Wait. Can I ask you something? What can you possibly offer me? No, what can you offer Bianca?
Moi. Hey! Look, I will sell my only piece of land just to make you happy. I love you. If I don't fall in love with you already.
Now you're talking.
Yes.
Wait. You're willing to sell your piece of land for my sake?
Yes.
How do you know I love money? No, how do you know I spit money?
Omali Chanwa, it's written all over you. In fact, you ooze money. As I see you, you smell money. Money.
This is not followed. You know what to do. When you bring the money, you come to me. You not follow me.
I must marry this woman.
If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Humanizer go born another woman. Like a father, like a son. A guy man no come born another guy. Like a father, like a son.
Sorry, I'll press it for you.
Actually, my leg is not full.
Am I actually pounding in my flat? But it's true. I'm serious. Everyone has sold shame in the market. You they call from the this one they call it from the, I don't know how they're doing it. Are you okay now?
Second leg.
This one?
That one, yes.
Let me use my...
What are you doing here? You wicked man! Obidibo, why are you screaming at me? Eh? You are calling me wicked. I'm not a wicked person. No. I only came to...
I don't want to see you. I don't want to set my eyes on you. Can't you hear?
Hi. But at least, instead of just shouting on me, can't you allow me just say something?
I don't want to hear you say anything. Don't say anything to me. As you can see, I am going out.
Hi. But Obidibo, two of us used to be friends, so... We were very close, oh.
Hey, you call it friends.
Hey.
Friends indeed. Yes, I agree. But your betrayal can never be forgotten in a hurry.
Hi.
I have told you, stay away from me because you are not a good man. You are not to be trusted. I have told you to be forewarned is to be forearmed. Stay away from me.
Obidibo, are you walking away from me? We are friends, oh. You give me this money now.
Uli kajomowa. Ganga tora chimumama. Hey.
Good day, Mr. Chibi.
Good day. How may I help you?
We have a letter from the manager.
I'm the manager, but I'm going to the office.
Well, you may like to read the content in it. But before that, please sign here.
It's not possible now. How? How? What have I done? Oh. Hey! Hey! Papa! Papa!
Oh, what is it? What is it now?
Papa, calm down first. I've been sacked from my work. Papa, I've been sacked.
Look, if you know what is bothering me now, your sack is very little. I'm telling you, what is bothering me is bigger than your sack.
Papa! Hey! What is this? What is this? What is going on? Eh? Oh.
Daisy, how are you?
What are you doing here?
Why are you like this?
Wait. What are you doing here?
You see, I have something very important that you will like. Something very good.
What is it?
Is that the way you're going to? You are too harsh.
What is it now?
Oh. Money.
How much is there?
It's big money. 50,000.
Oh, please. Listen, I've told you to stop stressing yourself. Because it's obvious you can't take care of me. You can't even give me enough money. So why are you following me about? What is it?
Baby, it's 50,000. No. Anyway, don't worry. See, I have more money. Look, I can find more money. Listen, I love you. If I marry you, I will.
Can I have the money? Let me have it first.
So, can I come back in the night?
Can you come back in the night? With money now? If you must come back in the night, you have to come with money. You can't come to me without money. Yeah. You have to complete this money. This is 50,000. I'll be waiting for the balance.
Like his son, like his father, like his son, like his father, like his son, like his father, like his son. Why even none make a one like his father, like his son. Why even one make a none like his father, like his son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Humanizer go born another woman like his father, like his son. A guy man no can born another guy like his father, like his son. Even the mugu can bump begin will be like.
Look, I must marry this girl. I must marry you. Even if it means selling my soul to the devil. I will sell every property I have to make sure that I marry you.
Like a father, like a son. 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 If a nane make a wagame. Like a father, like a son. Messia, guru guru me. Like a father, like a son. Messia, na guru guru me. omume like a father like agwa ya ịmụta ihe nwere ọgụgụ like a father like nkịta ya mụta lili fe na pụta like a father like a son like a father like a son.
Look at the way this girl is just treating me like a baby. Eh? Nothing on this earth will stop me from making this girl my own. Ah, I must marry her. Even if it means selling everything I have. Hi. God, the way she just disgraced me. Also, you have to fix this as a man. You know what you want, and you always get it. Yes.
Papa, what is it?
Actually, please, I need your help.
You need my help?
Yes.
Okay, how may I help you?
Can you please lend me some money?
Okay, it depends. How much are we talking about here?
Just 100,000 naira.
100,000 naira.
Why are you screaming?
Yeah, no, I'm screaming because you know I have been sacked from my work. I don't have a job now.
Chere, Achebe, you mean since you've been working, you didn't save any money?
Papa, what we are talking about here is that I don't have that kind of amount in my account.
Why now?
You know, I used the money I have to fix the leaking roof, and I sent our sister to the university. And
Hey, enough. Just because of common 100,000 naira, I want you to lend me your accounting. You did this, you bought limousine, you did this.
100,000 naira is not common. It's not common, but anyway, I don't have it.
Go now, go.
I don't have it. If you say it's common, then provide it.
Very stingy, so.
You're calling 100,000 naira common.
Go now.
If it is common, you provide it. We are common. 100,000 naira. I know that.
Yes. Obidigbo, you are the only option now. Obidigbo has to help me with this. Yes.
Like a father, like a son. 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 Okwa even nane make and one make. Like a father, like a son. Okwa even one make and nane make. Like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Womanizer go born another woman. Like a father, like a son. A guy man no can born another guy. Like a father, like a son. Even a mugu can born begin we be like a father, like a son.
Hello? Hello, young lady. Anyway, I was just passing and I noticed that this young pretty chap needs some help. Yeah, anyway, you look angelic, actually.
Wait a minute. Are you just going to stand there raining praises at me? Without trying to know what the heck is wrong with my car? Like, can't you see I'm stranded?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm about to notice that. I'm so sorry. What is wrong with your car?
What a stupid question. Did you just ask that?
You don't need to sound stupid, okay? You don't need to just sound silly.
Listen, if you want to help, you help. And that is if you know what to do.
It's okay. It's okay. Come on.
Gosh.
Okay. So what's wrong with your car? Huh? What's wrong with your car?
Come on. He's still asking. You want to know, you check. That's if you know what you're doing.
Oh. What exactly is wrong with your car?
He's still asking again. He's still asking.
Come on, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just trying to help.
Hello? I don't know.
Ozo, why is your face like that?
Hey, Hey, Zelu, I'm finished. I am finished.
Wait, what is the problem?
My daughter Ada, I just got news from my wife's people that she's been hospitalized. Hey!
Ozo, what do we call the sickness?
They say it's kidney failure. Hey, Wani, Biko, I'm going to help you with some money so that I can treat her. Oh, I don't want her to die. Oh. Hi.
Ozo, how much are we talking about?
They say it's 300,000 naira.
Wait, where do you expect me to get such amount of money from?
That money, Biko. Help me look for the money. I will pay you back as soon as I have money. Biko.
Honestly, Ozo, I don't have such amount of money. But I will take you to Bidigbo and see if he can lend us the money.
Chai, Bidigbo, that means you don't want me to get the money. You know Bidigbo does not like me. Once he sees me with you in his house, I won't get the money again. Biko.
It's okay. Wait for me.
Hey, Dalu.
Wait for me.
One day. Dalu. Hey.
So thank you so much for helping out.
It's okay. You're welcome. It's nothing.
So I was wondering, what is a handsome guy like you doing in this village?
You know, struggles of life. Yeah. Actually, I was working in the microfinance bank, but I lost my job last month.
Oh, is it? I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's a past now.
So, how do you cope? I mean, how do you take care of your girlfriend?
Oh, there you go again. If I tell you this, you wouldn't believe it, but the truth is that I don't have a girlfriend.
No, he didn't say that. How?
That's the truth.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Must I have a girlfriend? I know you don't believe it, but that's the truth.
And you said your name is what again?
My name is Achebe, but sometimes my friends call me Ache. You understand?
Ache, baby.
No, not baby. I'm a full grown man. How can you call me baby? Well, it's okay. When do you intend leaving this village? Or how long are you going to stay in this village?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, I'm actually here for some documentary.
Okay.
Though I plan doing some photo shoots while I wait for my crew to come down.
Okay.
Yes. What can I offer you? I'm sorry, I don't know my bad.
I don't know. Normally I love soba a lot. Or if you don't have both soba, I can take kunu or frado nudu.
No. You didn't say that.
No, I stayed in Kano a lot, so I love those things, you know. Do you have them? Or if you don't, never mind. Never mind.
Ozo.
Hey,
Take.
hey,
That is the money.
hey. Thank you. Don't worry. I will pay you back this money before the end of this month. Hey.
That is good.
You are a good man. You are a good man. I must thank you. The whole village, they know that you are good. And you've just demonstrated it again. Thank you very much.
It's okay. Please, I want you to run straight. Go and see the doctor. I want them to save the life of Ada. I don't want anything to happen to her.
I'm going right away. Eh? I must thank you, Dalu. Eh? Let me go. Let me be going.
Okay. Ozo, wait. Ozo. Ozo. Please. This money that I have given to you is the money I have been saving for my roof. Because I want to change the roof of this house. But I can't keep it. Because the life of Ada is more important to me and you than this roof. Please, do not fail me.
Zelu, why now? Eh? Why are you this kind? Hey! If only we have up to just 2 of you in this village will turn to London. Hey!
Ozo.
I can't thank you enough.
It's okay.
Hey.
It's okay.
Dalu.
Now you can go
Hey!
and save the life of Ada. Please. I don't want anything to happen to Ada. Is that okay?
Hey! You're welcome. Thank you very much. Hey, Dalu. Hey!
It's okay.
Hey!
Well, I'm actually expecting a loan from my uncle who is in the UK.
Okay.
Once I get it, I'll help you set up an online business.
I'm gonna appreciate it. For real, I appreciate it.
Who is there? 1 minute, please.
Okay. Are you expecting a visitor?
I'm going to check.
Hey! Uma baby!
I can't remember inviting you here.
Take it easy now. See, this is not like that time. I came fully prepared. This is not the issue of 50,000. Wait. This is 300,000 for my baby. Uma baby.
You're kidding, right?
Me kidding? Ha. Look, I mean business. Quest means business this time.
Oh my God. I'm beginning to believe you right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean business.
Wow. 300,000.
Oh yes.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Mention it again. So, can we go inside now?
You want to come inside?
Yes.
Come inside.
Yes, no.
Don't worry. I'm going to let you know when to come in. You can go now.
Go.
Thank you.
Like your father, like his son. 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 Okwa even and make a one like your father, like Okwa even one make a like your father, like if a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Womanizer go born another woman like your father, like.
Today is actually a good day, you know.
For real? Maybe you've been expecting someone.
No, I just got my delivery.
Okay. It's okay. I'll take my leave now. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, you know, I won't be able to see you off. I'm very tired and...
It's okay.
had a hectic day. But I'll sure give you a call.
Bye.
See ya.
Oh, so. Handsome young man. This I should dye these beards, but I will not. They like me like that. All these small girls in this community. Hey.
Papa? Papa?
It's my handsome
Did you see any money in this bag? Yeah?
Did you keep any money?
Yes, Papa. I kept 50,000 naira in this bag.
50,000 naira?
Yes.
I didn't see any money.
Then who must have taken it? Who?
Have you asked Beatrice?
Which Beatty, Papa? Which Beatty? Is Beatty living with us in this house? Yeah? It's not just me and you.
Jerry, are you by any means accusing me of being a thief?
Papa, I don't know. But I don't know. I kept money in this bag.
Yeah, go and look for it now.
Papa.
I didn't see any money. Ozo, now this stupid boy. Yes, I think I'm good to go.
Who's in? Beatrice.
How do you do?
I like the sound of that. How do you do? My brother came back with this.
Say you like the sound. You think I traveled in there? So I like the sound.
Can you help me read and answer these questions?
What is there?
I don't know.
Sit down. Yeah? You want to learn wisdom? Sit down. Sit down.
On the floor.
My head.
Sit it. Is it that you cannot read it?
Calm down now. Give me time. Let me even remember it.
I'm sorry. Beatrice, you cannot read it. Now.
Yeah? Did I send you to come and insult me?
No. Don't be angry.
Want to belittle me? Want to embarrass me? Want to underestimate me?
No, now.
Take a walk. Go, I'm not helping you again. I said go, I'm not helping you again. He said you don't know how to read. Tell her. Go.
I should go. Don't be angry.
Gigantic English,
Hey! I will have just disgraced myself. For myself. By myself. With myself. Eh? Let me go inside. Found that useless person will come now to either buy a book or ask me to read letter. I cannot read.
So you're catching phone behind my back. Can you have this?
Oh, thank you.
mine.
Thank you. Cheers.
Where is my own?
The maid will bring yours. Calm down.
Because she's my wife. She won't serve you. Okay, take a seat.
Thank you, Daddy.
Are you jealous?
No, he's my daddy.
Okay.
My love. Okay, fine. Tomorrow morning, we'll be heading to Abuja.
Yay! Thank you, Daddy.
We shall be going for a whole week's rest.
So that means you're going to be treating me like a wife again?
Sure, you're my wife.
Come here, Daddy. Thank you.
Okay.
I feel so pampered.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You feel nothing yet. See, there's something special I want to show you.
I can't wait. Okay,
Come.
I'm ready.
Gigantic English, yo. Manolu se kakuba se fetele na kubo. Yatili sibani na mabano onye kuzi. Yati na supano okotik English.
Uziri achara. Uziri chara. Uziri achara. This boy.
Yes. I know that anytime somebody see signposts like this, there is job opening. What does this one say? What does the signboard say? Is it here?
New teacher. Our teacher already traveled, so we need another teacher.
Read it. What does this one say now?
We need new teacher now.
Yes. You don't know what that first word means. So they need new teacher.
Yes.
New teacher.
Yeah.
In this your school.
Yeah. Do you want to come and be a teacher in our school?
When you ask, go back. You're not supposed to be outside by now. Go and see you later. Where are you going to? I'm there. Go back inside school.
Yes, come in.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Oh, yes, I'm here because of the signboard outside. Olari.
You mean the authority teacher?
Ma'am, that's it. Because you know I'm a teacher in this village. I came from the city. So I said, let me come and share my knowledge with the children. Let me come and help you for me.
That's good of you. Good.
So when do I start?
Don't worry about that. You start.
Sir, so some people are here considering the teaching something.
Here for the teaching job. I'm here already. Tell them to go. Just go and tell them to go. That's why I'm here.
Are you a teacher?
Yes. Always teacher, once teacher. Yes, I teach in the city. And if you bring me here now, I'm sure I can even teach better than you.
Okay, but I think we need to excuse us for a bit.
Excuse you.
Just kind of go outside.
Why? I'm not a woman like you. Anything you and headmaster want to do it in front of me. I'm a woman like you. You want to be my problem here. You want to be my problem.
Miss, can you just excuse us?
I cannot excuse yourself because I have come for you. It's not good in my place. I'm from this village.
Please excuse us. Kindly excuse us.
Kindly allow me to stay, sir. Please. I'm here for the job. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry.
My tummy, yo.
Come here. You're laughing at the teacher. you have any respect?
The thing that you're wearing is ripping our whole school compound.
What do you mean by that? Eh? I'm going to slap you now. Did you not know that I'm your teacher, Toby? Your future teacher? You do not know that respect is reciprocal?
Make sure you're not posted in my classroom, because I will finish you. And if you get me angry, I will go straight to my headmaster office and tell him that you don't know book, that your head is blocked.
You can't say that to anybody. You do not have sense. Eh?
My headmaster can't give you this job.
Why?
Until you dress like a modern teacher. He likes fine teacher with fine clothes.
Huh?
Yes.
How?
Something so.
Gigantic English, yo. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo. Yatilisi baboso. Yatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Yatina sokwano okotik English, yo. Manoluze kakoba se ni fetele na popo. Yatilisi baboso. Ifukonye nkuzi osena aquatic animal, yo. Hanchapo mama, yo. Opifone kuzinu onye kuzi Manoluze kako base ni fedele na pupo Yatilisi baboso Yatilisi onye kuzi Yatilisi
Anyway, the headmaster wants to see you. Okay, let's go.
You wrote this?
Yes. I told you I'm a teacher. I told you I wrote it.
Let's look at this. What about your CV? I mean your curriculum vitae.
Hi. No vitamins. And even the shop near me, where they sell medicine, they do not have vitamins.
He means your certificates.
Ah! My colleagues, if you know what rats done to me, if you know what rats have done to me, hey, my fellow women, you're beating me.
We mean something about you, something about your birth, where you were born, in fact, everything, your docile, your profile.
I was born in this village. My date of birth, 1980.
What year?
1980.
When? January, February, March, April, November, when?
My fellow women, my colleagues, help me get this job. I'm coming. Sir.
Miss, what do we do?
But the people that came for the job have all gone, and she's the only one. I think we can work around it. Yes, and well, she's naive, so we can work around it. We can just manage it and employ her for now. We'll give her a little test. If she passes it, then we'll employ her, at least for now.
But I'm afraid of her behavior. So I'm not happy.
We can work around it.
I think we suggest we give her a test.
Something little.
Okay.
What is after you? My baptism card. What do you need my prison card for? I did not put it there. The paper I get them at the office. I needed my birth certificate. I told them 3rd 1980. 3rd November 1980. November 3rd. Oh, wait, give me. It's in that box close to where your father used to sleep. Oh, which one? The that side where your father used to lie down. That big box. It's inside there. Oh, you see it there. Oh.
Biatina sokwa gigantic English yo. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo.
So, let's negotiate on how much you give the headmaster from your salary. So I can convince him to give you the job. 50-50, do you agree? Deal?
Yes, deal.
Okay, good. So you can resume work on Monday. You're welcome. And don't forget to dress well while coming on Monday. Put on shoes.
Shoes are. Yes. Trust me, I'll dress very proud.
See you on Monday.
Thank you.
Look sharp. It's alright.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Biatina sokwa gigantic English yo. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo. Biatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Biatina sokwa no okotik English yo. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo.
How are you? Thank God I met you at home. My heart problem has started again. I have come to see you for the money I gave to you to enable me go to the hospital and take treatment.
Hey, sorry for the heart problem. Oh. Sorry. But you see, I have not been able to raise the money. I don't have the money now.
But you asked me to come today.
Oh yes, I asked you to come. But as it is, I have not been able to raise it. Let's look at the end of this week. I should be able to raise it by then.
End of this week? What if I die before then?
You can't die now. Heart problem is not like HIV or cancer. You know, heart problem does not kill like that. Just take it easy, I'll pay you.
Also, is that not money in this envelope you are holding?
Yes, so this is money. But you see, this money belongs to the church council. Father Jude said I should bring the money to him. You see, I just locked my door now. I'm about going to see Father Jude.
What do I do?
Sorry, no. God will help you. You will not die. Let me go and see Father Jude.
Like a father, like a son. 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 Okwa even nane make and one make. Like a father, like a son. Okwa even one make and nane make. Like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Like a father,
My baby. You are just all a woman would dream of in a man.
For real?
Total package.
And I'll always make you
So, this is what you've been doing with my son behind my back after you've collected all my money.
Oh, shut up, old man. You're talking like as if I forced you to give me your money. Did I force you? Yes, you wanted my body and you're using your money to have your way.
Wait, hey!
Yes.
Wait. Bianca! Papa! What is this I just heard? Oh! Hey! Whoa! Hey! This is not true. Chelo? Ini Edo and my dad Mugu. Wait. Wait. You've been eating my father and I, Mugu.
I need to get something clear right now. Did I force you both to give me money? No, excuse me. Did I force you both to give me money?
Hey.
No, I need to get that now. I want you two to leave my house.
This is not happening.
Like now, before I call my surgeon boyfriend.
Papa,
You're still here.
You just shut up!
Hold on!
For you, I'm waiting for you at home. You will see.
Hello?
And you this devil.
Abdul!
It's alright.
Abdul! Where are you, please? Some people are creating scene in my house. There's a situation. I need you right now.
Shut up there. What kind of situation is that? In that situation. Hi. How can I be this stupid? And I've been spending so much on her. And I thought she loved me.
Go be criminal, womanizer go born another womanizer. A guy man no can born another guy man. Even a mugu can born pikin wey be like.
Old man, what is it? No, what are you doing here?
Let me explain. Please, let me explain. Since yesterday that I set my eyes on you, Makachuku, I've never rested. My life has completely changed. Yes, I'm in love with you.
I thought I made it clear to you yesterday that without money, I will never speak to you. Because I spit money.
I know. Is it no money?
I talk money.
I have money. I have the money. This is money. Money. This is money. Look at it. Take, look at it. I love you. Really.
Old man.
My baby.
Old man.
My baby.
Come, let's go inside.
Achibe. So, you conspired with that evil girl to collect money from me and use for yourselves. You will meet me. Achibe. So, you conspired with that evil girl to collect my money from me and spend, two of you. Achibe.
Papa, what happened there was shameful. To think that she played both of us is degrading.
Shameful? Degrading? For me or for you?
Both of us.
Achibe, stay away from that girl.
Papa, I will not do that. I will marry her. And she has agreed to marry me.
You are daring me, right? If you don't stay away from that girl, this house will not contain both of us.
Papa, well, nothing will happen.
I
won't hear you, man.
Nothing will happen.
Yes.
Let me tell you what will happen. I will kill you and kill myself.
Adia.
You are daring me, eh? You are daring me. Wait for me.
Let me see how you kill your only son because of woman. You know the shame. A purely na pants on my bottle.
Where is he? You say I can't do anything. Hey, I can't do anything. Eh? I can't do anything.
Who?
Hey!
What is it? What? Who is chasing after you?
He almost shot me.
Who almost shot you?
He almost shot me.
Is that why you want to bring down my door? Who?
Eh?
Did you lock my door?
Eh?
Did you lock the door?
Hey, Uchimo.
I've been looking for you. My office.
Don't tell me you're just coming by this time.
Just come.
Besides, what's this you're wearing?
Today is my first day. First day, I have to prepare very well and arrange myself very properly. That's what I did.
That's why you're wearing this. But this is for sports.
No, I told you, I'm coming from the city. I'm bringing city vibe. White and white. And you know they are children. Somebody has to pursue them everywhere. You know. Please, where's my office so I can go and prepare?
Okay, come with me.
Bobo, what's the problem? Why are you crying?
I got all the question but my new teacher failed me. 0/10.
She failed you.
Yes.
Let me see, let me have a look. Go and call her for me.
Gigantic English, yo. Manoluze kakoba se fete
You failed him.
Did I feel you? Did I touch you? Did I push you?
He got answered your questions correctly and you failed him.
Oh, fail. Fail, fail, fail. Fail. You did not get the answer.
Now have a look at this. Have a look at this. Read it. I see. Don't worry, eh? Go back to your class. I'll see to that. Please, please, I need my job. Why not improve? Eh? You know how we employed you. Please, try and improve. Please.
Gigantic English, yo. Manoluze kakoba se fete le na popo. Biatilisi bani una makwa nofu.
This is my life safe. Eh? Today my head is correct, tomorrow my head is not correct. I don't know.
I'm sorry for telling the headmaster that I cannot read.
Don't apologize, my dear. This is my life self. Me, I don't understand what kind of life this my life is.
What do you mean?
Do I even know anything I'm saying? This one I said now, I think I understand what I talk.
Don't worry. I'll help you tonight.
And I have an idea. If I carry this one out now, I will move all the big English. Huge, colossal. I remove them. But I do not know how to read long things. Or how to put the word together and then read it out. You understand? I don't know how to talk it.
Don't worry, I'll help you out. Now look at this.
Now tell master I don't know how to read.
Look at this. What is this?
Tata, you want to teach me how to read now?
What is this?
My chest is on fire.
Yeah.
Hey.
Did also give you the money?
He said he has no money.
That is what? He said he has no money.
What is what?
What is when you borrow somebody money and you go there to collect it at the point of death and the person is telling you story? That is what? So you just hold on, let me go and collect the money.
Wait. Also is what? But give me water to drink.
Nine. Okay, sit properly, sit. Let me get the water for you, oh? Mama is just telling me now. Why won't he give you your money?
He said he has no money.
But you cannot hold your money and say he doesn't have money when you know you need it. That's the problem with your father. He's always too kind. Take. Oh, I'm coming. Let me get there. Eh? Where are you going? Mama, I'm coming.
He said the money will be ready by weekend.
Take what I can't find cup. I just take some. Wait. Yeah, go. Drink. God will keep you alive. Don't worry. Drink more. You left him with your money and you came back here shouting my chest. You think I'm going to use my teeth to send you to the hospital? Eh? Nah. Finish it if you want to finish it.
What is it?
I came to see you.
You are seeing me now. What is it?
My father is sick. So the money that you borrowed from him, I came to collect it so that we can take him to the hospital.
But I've told him before. I don't have the money yet. When I have it, I'll give it to him. As you can see, I'm going for an important meeting.
The money that you borrowed from him. Just go home now and go and meet your father. And tell your father to return the money my father borrowed him. My father is sick and he's dying. We need the money.
My father borrowed money from your father?
Yes.
Hey, baby.
He borrowed money from my father.
Baby.
Hey.
I came to return your t-shirt you forgot in my house.
Thank you.
See you later.
Yeah, I did
Bye.
well. Thank you.
What did she call you?
Who is she?
What did she call you? Oh, so you are seeing another woman?
What is it, self? What is it? What is it, self? What is it? You expect me to be with you? See, I go for class. Class.
Achebe?